guys, welcome to my channel Forever to Vogue. I am Neha and I welcome you all. Today I'll be reviewing 3 lipsticks that I've ordered from Myntra. I love Maybelline lipsticks because they are long lasting, and so I'll be showing you all my lipsticks one by one. I'll apply it and you can see how it looks on me. So the first shade that I've got is Pink My Red. And here is the number that you can see on the lipstick. The shade is quite bright, and I'll apply it on my hand, and after that I'll apply it on my lips. So I think the lipstick is quite creamy and it is going to stay on your lips for longer. So let me just try it on my lips and see how it looks. So here we go. I'm just using a very light hand to apply the lipstick, so you can apply it as per your choice. So I think it's a very good color and it's really bright. Since it's a very bright color, you will not have to apply it too much on your lips. So I think it's a pretty good shade. You can buy it if you like this color. I really love this shade, so yeah, I've got it. So moving on, we have another shade that is Rich Ruby. Here is the number. And now let's apply it on my hand first and then on the lips, because I have to remove my lipstick. So let's just try it on the hand first. So this is the shade which you're going to get with Rich Ruby. So let's just see how it looks after applying on the lips. एक सबसे अच्छा तरीका लिपस्टिक लगाने का है कि उसे आप बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से मत अप्लाई करें. अप्लाई इट विद अ लाइट हैंड एंड यू विल सी कि लिपस्टिक बहुत अच्छे से लगेगी. So we have applied this shade called Rich Ruby, and I think it's a pretty good color. I think it is looking a little brighter on the lips, but it's a very good shade, I must say. Both the shades, that is this first pink shade and this Rich Ruby, both are very bright colors and very good colors. I have liked them. So अभी तक काफ़ी अच्छी दोनों शेड्स हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा कलर भी लिप्स पर दिखाई दे रहा है. So I think I like both the shades as of now. So now moving on to third lipstick by Maybelline. I've got Craving Coral, and here is the number in case you want to buy it. Alright, so let's see how the shade is. This is how it looks. I think it's a red, but the one I have applied is little darker and this one is little light. So let's just see how it looks after applying. I'll first apply it on my hand here. Here is how it looks. Now let's apply it on the lips. This is how it looks after applying. This is Craving Coral, and this is very light, little light than what I applied previously, which was Rich Ruby is little darker, and this one is little lighter, as you can see here. Right, see, you can see the color difference. तो अगर आपको भी चाहिए ये 3 शेड्स ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स तो आप जा सकते हैं मिंत्रा पर और इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक इस पे कुछ ऑफर भी चला था, तो आपको ये बहुत ही रीजनेबल प्राइस पर मिल जाएगी। एज पर माई रिव्यू आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ऑल दिस लिपस्टिक्स, आई थिंक तीनों का कलर बहुत ही अच्छा है। शेड्स आर रियली गुड। और जो फर्स्ट था वो पिंकिश शेड है, then the next one is little maroonish type, and the last one is bright red. So अगर आपको ये कलर्स पसंद है, since मुझे ये कलर्स पसंद है लिपस्टिक में, so that's why I ordered. In case आपको भी ये पसंद है तो आप इसे ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। मिंत्रा पर एक ऑफर चल रहा था जिसके अंदर मैंने ये 2 लिपस्टिक्स मंगाई है। इनमें से एक रिच रूबी, ये पुरानी लिपस्टिक है, मैंने पहले मिंत्रा से पहले ऑर्डर की थी। अभी जो मैंने रिसेंटली मिंत्रा से ऑफर पर मंगाई है वो है पिंक माई रेड, और इसके साथ मुझे ये दूसरी लिपस्टिक फ्री मिली है। सो आई जस्ट पेड फॉर दिस लिपस्टिक एंड दिस वन वाज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री। तो आप भी जाइए मिंत्रा पर, चेक आउट दिस ऑफर एंड गेट योर फ्री लिपस्टिक टुडे। So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked all these lipsticks and you'll order it too. I really like these lipsticks, so I'll be applying these soon in my videos. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.